Okay, just to further elaborate, as you can see, there is one root off of the main trunk here, pushing down the pipe right there. This was another one that we cut out, that's right here. Here's another one right here, pushing down onto the pipe. And it continues. That's another one, that's another branch. It's pitched like this. There's nothing that I can do about that.
Look at that shit.
You're the one who's summoned to court because you're legally dead. In the eyes of your masters, you are spiritually dead and claimed as such. The definition of a human being, it says you're a monster with no inheritable blood.
You're officially dead and a necrophiliac, motherfucker. You're officially dead and a necrophiliac, motherfucker.
What would you do with a brain if you had one?